So I'm talking to this customer. I said, well, I'm gonna come out and I'm gonna take the oil stains out of your driveway. So with a little research and talking to some of my friends that are mechanics, I come up with a solution. Now the solution I come up with was, believe it or not, something just like a little torch that you can buy at Ace Hardware or Lowe's or even Dollar General, okay? I believe this one came from even like a smoke shop. The thing about it is you don't want a lot of heat. You want a light amount of heat. You want to do it very gently. And I've got some demonstrations here. Let's talk about this. This one here actually happens to be transmission fluid. This is actually from a diesel engine grease, and this is regular oil, okay? So you notice how black this is right here? This was from a heavy duty torch. I had my guy to break this out, and he used a regular torch, which most homeowners will not have. I'm saying this for my technicians and for my air conditioning friends out in the field. Don't use your torch. Use something that with low heat. Okay, that's the key. So let's show how this works. Okay, so I'm gonna do the transmission fluid first. So I'm just gonna turn it on. And I'm just gonna very gently work this back and forth. Light heat. See how it's coloring up, guys? See how you're losing it? It's evaporating the oil out of it. Very slow and easy. Now I'm gonna back up just a little bit. See how it's cleaning it up here? Watch this spot right here. The thing about it is, if you don't overheat it, it won't discolor the brick. That's why we've got to do it very lightly. I'm just gonna back up a second here. Now see how this here is already gone? I want you to look at that. Now that's your transmission fluid. Now you may have a small little ring, but if you take a brush and just scrape it a little bit, that'll get most of this off. Now let's go to something a little heavier. This is old diesel and fuel and oil. Okay, now I want you to watch it boil just a little bit. This thing does not perform miracles, but it does work, okay? It should get the customer happy for you guys that are in the same boat I'm in. Okay. Okay, see how it's actually lightening up, guys? Now, you gotta remember, this was really dark and really heavy at first. So I'm gonna let that cool down and I'm gonna come back to that. Now here's my regular motor oil. So I'm gonna start right here. See, I want you to notice the circle here. I'm just gonna start right here very gently. Very slow and easy. Now this is pretty heavy on here. See how it's smoking a little bit, guys? How it's cleaning it up. Now if you start looking right here, you can see it start cleaning up. And I'm holding back about a couple of inches just so you know, because I don't want to overheat it. That's the key, not to overheat it. Because if you do, it'll be what's on the left-hand side. See how it's clearing up? Now, between the sun and the rain and the elements themselves, this spot will eventually go away. The customer will never actually see it. Okay, and I'm just going to go very slow and easy. And I'm going to go and I'm going to show you something else though with another torch. Okay, now look at this right here. Remember a couple minutes ago how we done this one? See how light it is? Now it's not the exact same color, but over time that'll blend in, okay? It'll all kind of, let's do a little bit more, then we'll come back to this. See how it's taking it out? Light heat, that's the key, guys, light heat. See how it's taking it out right here? I want you to look at that right there. Don't touch it, it's hot. Okay. You see how it's already cleared it up over here? Just take your time, once again. Okay, I'm assuming most of you guys have got this now, okay? So what I want to do is I've got some old stains on concrete. I just want to take this a step further, and I want to show my customers this, and I'm gonna take this right here and I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you the difference. Now here's an old stain here that's been here a while, okay, and this has probably been here, I'm gonna guess 2 or 3 weeks, okay. Let's just see what happens here. Now this is concrete, it's a different texture, different makeup, the whole 9 yards. Sometimes I've learned that the lighter heat doesn't really do a good job on concrete. It needs something a little bit heavier, okay? A little bit more heat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this torch here, and I understand that most homeowners will not have this torch. So what you do, you go to a place like Lowe's or Ace Hardware and get you one of those propane tanks that you can actually turn the heat up and down a little bit, okay? So let's just do this. Once again, it just takes very light heat. See, that's lightening it up right here. And what happened, it actually cooks the top of the concrete just a little bit, okay? Because this stain here has been here a long time. See how it's cleaning it up? If you had a real bad stain, it's a newer stain, so what's happened, the concrete's actually coming up on this one just barely. Nice and slow, don't overheat it. And now once you come out and look at this, see how this works? If you took a power washer or something on top of that, that would probably get you squared away. So, guys, the main reason for this video here today is actually just to help you. If you get into a bind, you got a customer screaming and yelling, go to Ace Hardware, Lowe's, get your torch. Very slow and easy working. You can probably get the stain up, especially if you do it immediately, okay? I hope this video has helped. If you like this video, please share, please subscribe, and please comment. Thank you.